Hello, welcome to the online teaching classes for Vidya Urban High Secondary School. I am Vidya ma'am and this video is for class 6 physical science, and the chapter what I will continue today is the phenomena around us, and this video is part 5. In the previous videos, I have already discussed about the natural man-made changes, about the desirable and undesirable changes, about the periodic non-periodic changes, etc. But today is a fertilizer, pesticide and insecticide. So what are the fertilizer? Fertilizers are the nutrients for the plants. So the nutrients which we apply externally in the soil for the growth, for the betterment of the growth of the plants are called the fertilizers. Okay, these are the chemical products as well as can be the natural products. These are like urea, like benzene, like ammonium nitrate, etc. Okay, now I am coming to the pesticides. So, as the name suggests, the pest is here. So, the pesticides are the pest killers. So, they are chemical as well as poisonous for the pest. Usually, farmers use this pesticide to kill the bad to harmful pest which grows in the plants. So, these are the chemical as well as poisonous. Okay, so now the insecticides. Insecticides are the insect killers. They help the plants to grow and helps to kill the harmful insects which hampers the proper growth of the plant. It is usually used in the agricultural purpose. Okay, apply to the agricultural crops. To kill the insects. So, trees have some good effects and as well as they also have the bad effects towards us. And the examples of some pesticides like BHC, like benzene hexachloride, etc. So, what are the harmful effects? Actually, the consequences of using this pesticide and the insecticides are, when we apply them in the large quantity, the food can be poisonous, and the birds who consumes these harmful grains can prematurely die due to this toxicity. So also some health hazard can also be happen to us if we consume this pesticide. So whenever we have to consume some foods, some agricultural crops, we have to wash it properly and after that we can only consume that. Okay, so now the next phenomena, the next change is the slow and fast changes. Okay, the slow and fast changes. Till today, we have already discussed about the desirable, undesirable changes, natural man-made changes, periodic as well as some periodic, non-periodic changes, etc. But we are not discussed the changes according to the slow and the fast, according to their time. So the changes which occur within a short period of time is called the fast change. So what is the fast change? The change which will occur in a short period of time. And the changes which took longer time is called slow changes. So as an example, we can discuss about the first changes can be the explosion of the bomb, within a second. If a bomb explodes, then everything gets destroyed. So it is a very fast change. And for the slow change, the growing of tree, it usually took many years to grow a tree from a sapling. We can also talk about the drying of clothes. It usually took hours to dry a cloth. And for the first change, we can also talk about if we pour 1 spoon of salt in the water, it will get mixed within a second. So mixing of salt in water can be the first change. And also one more thing is some chemical changes also can happen slow or the first. Like if we took 1 glass of lime water and keep it usually in the primary time it will be transparent, but after, if we keep it for 2 or 3 days, it will change in a milky white because of the environmental carbon dioxide. So it is a slow change. Or if we took that glass of lime of water and we blow into it, we blow the carbon dioxide into it, it will get milky white within 2 or 3 minutes. So it is a first change. So we can perform the chemical changes in the slow way or as well as the fast way. And one more thing is, if we broke the whole thing into the pieces, the activity will run faster. Like we cut the vegetables into the pieces, in this way that can boil fast. If we took a full potato and give it to the pressure cooker to boil, it will take a longer time. But if we cut the potato into pieces and we give it to the pressure cooker, usually it boils faster. So if we cut the full thing into the pieces, the changes will go faster. So today I discussed about the slow and fast changes and pesticide, insecticides and fertilizer. In the next class we will continue this chapter. Till then, thank you.